Hey everybody, yours truly back with Totally Relaxed. I just wanted to jump in there and say hello to everybody and show you what I'm seeing today. See them little spurts of green stuff in between all the burn up grass? We got a pretty good rain last night and a smidgen of a little bit last week, but this just really makes me happy to see the green stuff coming back up in betwixt all the burn up stuff. But anyway, hope everybody's doing well, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.